Ready.
Ready. So today we're on our out-call service. We got a service in Luton
And East London.
and we got one in East London, right?
Yep.
That's it. So now where are we going, Nick?
Picking up the parts.
And then we'll be on our way.
Yeah.
So what parts do we need?
The 274 inside pollen filter.
Okay. So what car are we servicing today?
A35.
So Mercedes A35.
Yeah. The A plus. So these are the filters we need today.
Another day in London. More traffic. This is how you bypass traffic, guys. Quick maneuver. But anyways, we need to fuel up first before we go on to our journey. So we got this A35 here for service B. As you can see, general Mercedes parts. Got the air filter, oil filter, and inside cabin filter, and of course the Mercedes oil. Look at this lovely view. As you can see, old oil filter, the new one.
Yeah, right now we're changing the air filter. So getting out of the old one. So the new one in.
So this is the old air filter. As you can see, it's very dirty. And then Nick, show them the new one. So we've got the inside dust filter.
Yeah.
As you can see, Nick just took it out.
This is from under the dashboard.
See how dirty it is.
service is service A and will be in 15,534 miles.
So the first service has been complete. Now we're on our way to the second service, East London.
To discover CEO. We listen, we care, we win. Customer service matters. Octopus Energy, recommended by Win.
We're now in East London for our second service of the day. We've got a GLA 250E. Nick, what service are we doing in this car?
That's the small service, service A.
So we're doing a small service, service A. As you can see, my colleague's checking the tires, he's checking the brakes, make sure that's all in check.
Screen too, so good.
As you can see, we've got the parts here. This is the oil filter, Mercedes-Benz, the oil, the antifreeze. The oil is being drained and my colleague is taking out the oil filter. Cleaning up some antifreeze. Just cleaning up the engine bay. So yeah, service is complete. Colleague just talking to the customer, letting them know any faults, anything that they need to know about their car. And colleague back at the office will be sending over the paperwork, so a breakdown of the invoice and the Mercedes service on the Mercedes-Benz system.